Come test drive the 2019 Encore. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, panic alarm. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.